Today we're going to be taking a look at Yubo, see what it's all about, see what's going on. So when you download the app and install it, so this is going to be like the first screen that you see. This is the live tab, live page. At the top you have like the option to search, so you can search for a particular live. So essentially a live is a room where someone's gone live in, either a single person or there's multiple people that are taking part. So basically it's up to you. Whenever you decide to create your own live, you can just be the person that has the camera on them and everyone's just talking to you via chat, or you can allow people onto your live to share their camera or just to share their voice. So that's something that I cover in another video. Check that one out. Yeah, so all these tiles here, these are different lives. So if we just click on one, for example. So we have 3 people that are live. They're just sharing. Yeah, they're just sharing their voice. So that's shown in the top right hand corner. It looks like it's only 2 people now. But below you can actually start typing and send a message. If we jump out of that one, go into another one, see what's going on here. So you've got 3 people on voice. That's indicated by the little mic icon in the lower pane of their profile picture. So you could send a message, talk to them via chat, or ask to go live yourself. Completely up to you. So yeah, so Yubo essentially people just talking, just chatting, having a laugh. So this person's sharing their camera, and there's 2 other people that are live with him, but they're just on voice. And then there's in the top right hand corner, you can see there's 5 actual active people in this particular live, and someone else is, well, they went live for a second and they just didn't. So in this one, there's 1 person that's live, and then there's 4 people that are watching. And like always, you can send a message by sending a message like hi or something like that, start a conversation. So that's live. You'll find lots of cool people to talk to. Check it out, see if it's for you. See you in the next one.